Tech Library is an open channel that tries to answer any question you might have in the world of technology. Between now and the next, I am going to be explaining the basic iPhone camera settings that can be used to shoot amazing videos. No matter if you are a vlogger, content creator, or recording special moments, understanding these settings will improve your videos. Let's get started. The first thing that define a high-quality video on iPhone is to set the right quality standard and ratio readily available on the device. Launch your camera application or camera app, go to Settings, then choose Record Video. Here you can pick a number of settings such as resolution, for example 720p, 1080p, or 4K, and frame rate. Improved qualities mean increased sharpness and less motion jitter. Plus, there is an issue of storage and performance demands. Next on deck, the subject is exposure and focus. These two aspects determine the appearance of the videos you have or will create in the future significantly. If necessary in terms of exposure, then tap on one of the objects of the scene on the display and moving up or down your finger, change the focus on it. To lock AE, AF, so that there are no fluctuations and the camera is always focused on a particular area, it is enough to press on the screen with your finger until the AE-AF lock appears. This minimizes chances of the focus or exposure changing in the middle of the shot, which is undesirable. White balance indicates the general coloration of the particular video that you are shooting. When you want to get to this setting, simply tap the screen and then locate and tap the yellow sun icon. From here, there is a conventional preset, natural light, or incandescent, and so on, which suit the lighting condition. For fine-tuning, you can opt for a grey card or use the temperature and tint controls to fine-tune the white balance. Explain that it is vital to combine all elements that relate to the section to make your videos look and sound good. Some cameras have a grid line setting that, when enabled, assist the photographer in applying some of the composition rules, such as the rule of thirds. This can go a long way in improving the symmetry and beauty of your videos, and thus make them interesting to the viewers. It is also good to use components such as a microphone that is not internal, a stabilizer, or an attachment to the lens in order to increase the quality of the videos. Attachments can enhance audio quality, stabilizers help in reducing jerky movements, and lenses can give different looks and depth to the videos. These accessories will go a long way in changing the outlook of your demo videos as far as professionalism is concerned. With these iPhone camera settings, you will be able to produce good quality videos that are both lively and well-defined. Try adjusting these parameters in various lighting scenarios and with the subjects of various skin tones and tone variations to get the preferred result for your shooting style. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and accept to sub to Tech Library for more technology content. Do you have any questions, or would you like to add your own advice? Let me know in the comments placed below. That's all for today, but please do not go anywhere as we have more technology facts here on the Tech Library.